Presenting Airdopes 141 TWS earbuds in pure white. It is also available in cider cyan color. The box contains user manual, earbuds, warranty card, additional earbuds and charging cable. It comes in a size of 5 into 5 into 2 centimeters and weighs 60 grams. These wireless earbuds come with quick response touch controls and Type-C interface for quick charging. The 8mm drivers deliver thumping immersive sound while the Bluetooth 5.0 ensures seamless connectivity. They have a playback time of up to 42 hours, including the 6 hours non-stop playtime for earbuds. These earbuds are equipped with one-touch voice assistant and a built-in microphone with ENx technology. They come with IPX4 rating for water and sweat resistance, making them ideal to be used for exercising. The ASAP charge feature offers up to 75 minutes of playtime in just 5 minutes of charge, while the IWP technology ensures instant connection. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.